Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today's video is on the top 5 best 3D printers under $1,000. After hours of researching, we have selected these 5 best 3D printers under $1,000 and ranked them based on a few criteria like quality, price, durability and more. If you want to see more information and updated price, you can check out the links in the description below. And make sure to subscribe for more reviews like this. So without any delay, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Elegoo Mars 2 Pro. If you are just getting started with resin 3D printing, you will find that you have an overwhelming number of options to choose from, each with a different price point. The good news for people just starting out is that quality does not have to come at the expense of their budget. You can get your hands on the intuitive Mars 2 Pro for as little as $200 if you look hard enough. Because of its more limited construction volume, it is best suited for producing gaming miniatures and trinkets rather than larger models. Even if its resolution of 2K might not be the most detailed among resin printers, the quality it produces is still light years ahead of what can be accomplished with a machine that uses filament. The Mars 2 Pro includes a built-in filter system, which is a great aid in reducing the fumes that are produced by resin printing. It is by far the easiest system we've ever used, thanks to its spring-loaded, self-leveling build platforms. Pros: spring-loaded self-leveling build platform, integrated air filtration system. Cons: build volume can feel limited. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra. The Anycubic Kobra is the ideal 3D printer for you if you are searching for a machine that is not only simple to use but also produces high-quality prints. A fun hobby. Because it is so simple to put together, you can start printing within half an hour of taking it out of the box. It features a direct drive that is simple to load and an automatic bed leveling mechanism that removes the stress associated with creating the ideal first layer of material. The print surface is a magnetic plate with a PE coating that grips while the plate is hot and magically releases itself when the plate is cool. When purchasing the Anycubic Kobra, make sure to include a roll of filament in your shopping basket because you'll be printing up a storm on its enormous print volume, which measures 220 by 220 by 250 print volume. Pros: quality prints, direct drive, auto bed leveling, easy assembly. Cons: difficult to upgrade, tools are hard to maintain. Number 3. Anycubic Kobra Plus. The Anycubic Kobra Plus has your back when you need a little more space than the average 3D printer. The Kobra Plus is a great tool for big projects because it has a large 300 by 300 by 350 mm build volume and a nearly perfect auto bed leveling system. The Kobra Plus is priced competitively at $499, and it has a light Bowden extruder and a volcano-style hot end to make printing faster. Some printers have trouble with big glass beds, but Anycubic's formula for carborundum coating works perfectly. When it was hot, the Kobra Plus bed felt sticky to the touch, which helped the print stick well. If you let the bed cool down for a long time, prints come off easily and only need a little help from a scraper. The Kobra Plus is a great machine for a wide range of uses. We were able to print TPU models with no strings, and it worked just as well with PETG as it did with PLA. The only problem we had with this printer was that it didn't come with a profile for Cura, so we had to make one ourselves. But if your workshop only has room for one printer, this is the one to get. Pros: large build size, accurate auto bed leveling, build plate releases when cool. Cons: no profile in Cura. Number 4. Anycubic Vyper. The Anycubic Vyper is made for high-throughput 3D printing, and its rock-solid build and long list of features really impressed us. The Vyper is a good choice for anyone who wants to print out a lot of parts because it has features like silent stepper drivers, dual Z-threaded rods, and a high airflow part cooling system. The strain gauge bed leveling system makes it possible for the Vyper to do an automatic mesh bed calibration quickly and accurately. This method of calibration is great for people who don't want to spend a lot of time tweaking or calibrating the printer. During testing, it worked well and didn't need any more adjustments to get an even first layer. The Vyper is not the cheapest printer on this list, but it made the cut because it was easy to set up and worked well in our tests. The Vyper was made with a lot of attention to detail, and all the parts of a 3D printer that might need to be adjusted, extruder, X, Y belts, etc. are easy to get to and change. The Cura Slicer app that comes with the machine is easy to use, but the printer profile that comes with the machine may need to be tweaked, which may be hard for first-time users. Pros: automatic bed leveling system, high print speeds, advanced cooling design. Cons: included Cura profile needs optimizing, Kickstarter-style launch may turn off some users. Number 5. Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K. The Phrozen Sonic Mini 4K should be on your shortlist if you want to print models with a lot of fine detail. The Sonic Mini 4K uses a 4K mono LCD screen to print high-resolution models with a per-layer cure time of slightly over 2 seconds per layer. This translates to excellent detail and speed, but the price gap between the Sonic Mini 4K and comparable MSLA 3D printers like the Anycubic Photon is significant. In our testing, we discovered that the Sonic Mini 4K's ability to manufacture fine details is as advertised. Therefore, this printer shines at printing tabletop gaming miniatures and small sculptures. In addition to the high XY accuracy, the Z-stepping is barely noticeable even at a regular 50-micron layer height thanks to the Keytobox app software-enabled anti-aliasing. The Sonic Mini 4K's build platform was a little tricky to level, and the conflicting information offered by Phrozen might make the procedure intimidating for a first-time user. The quality of a print can be greatly influenced by the first build platform calibration, so be prepared to spend some time getting this printer dialed in. Pros: 4K resolution gives highly detailed XY accuracy, native integration with Keytobox app. Cons: difficult bed leveling process, review unit had some machining issues. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you have enjoyed it. If so, please like and share the video. And also make sure to subscribe to our channel, so you don't miss anything. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions at all. Hope to see you guys in the next video. See you later, guys.